Over here, let me zoom in a bit. We are on this sheet where we can see a lot of different error types that can occur in Excel. And we can see that over here, what is happening out. And we have so many errors that can occur in Excel. And over here are some of these types. What all kind of error you can get? You can get NA. If you get an NA error, it means that the value is not available to the formula. So which means that there is no value is not available to the formula. So slash this pound NA, it means that uh, the open lookup function, or it will come in a lookup function, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match. It means that they cannot find the value you're looking for. It can cause because of the lookup value doesn't exist in the specified range, or there's the data type mismatch between lookup value and the data in the lookup range, or incorrect table area. You're looking for a value in a different place which doesn't exist. So normally you will see this NA in the VLOOKUP formulas or HLOOKUP. You'll also get a value error. So value error means it means that the formula has been given a wrong type of argument. So for example, you're trying to perform a mathematical operation, and instead of numbers you put uh, alphabets. So you will get some value error. So very simple. Reference error means that the formula contains invalid cell reference. For example, you might have used a formula and refer it to some cell, and then later you might have deleted or moved that cell. And Excel can no longer find the original reference. Then you have a div 0, means it's simple. You are trying to divide a number by 0, which is undefined. Num error. Num error means it has a problem with the number in a formula or a function. For example, you're trying to get a square root of a negative number, which is not possible. Name error means you're trying to use a formula that doesn't exist. Then you have a null. It occurs when you specify an intersection of two ranges that do not actually intersect. For example, your incorrect usage of intersection operator, which is a space, for example, and use a space implying the intersection of two ranges, which might not be empty. So you can get this error. Spill error is something that you can get when it comes in dynamic array functions. In when you return a multiple values, an array, it cannot spill those values into adjacent cells because they are either blocked or contain some data. So make some space, you will get those function fixed. And then there are some error checking functions here as well. Is error, it will check for all the error types. There is another function, near function is ERR, which will check for all error types other than NA. If error, it will return a value you specify if a formula evaluates to an error, otherwise returns the result of the formula. You can replace the error. If there is an error, you can replace it with something else. And aggregate is let you ignore the error cells in the data, and you can get some average or other functions. Now let's imagine maybe you are going to a meeting room and suddenly uh, since you're going to meeting room and suddenly at the door somebody from finance came and says that okay, these expenses for April are not 210, they're 240 actually, and you change the number and you say okay, thanks, and now you get an error, and you don't want to get into the meeting room with all these errors here. So what do? You can use a function if error, and you can say that okay, if this is an error, you give me NA, and you press enter, and you'll get this NA. Now that error is replaced by NA, and this function is error. It will check for all the error values, error types, and say it is true or false. So it says false. This is not an error. Is error. Now this function will say that, okay, this is an error. And we can see that here.